Is your engine constantly hesitating when you step on the gas or blowing a cloud of black smoke when you try to start it up in the morning? You might be dealing with a P0224 diagnostic trouble code. This specific powertrain code indicates that your vehicle's main engine computer has detected a frustrating intermittent electrical malfunction in the throttle position sensor switch B circuit. This vital sensor is essentially a tiny potentiometer attached directly to your throttle body. As you press your foot down on the gas pedal and the mechanical throttle plate opens up to let air into the engine, internal contacts inside the sensor slide across the circuit board to change the electrical resistance. This constantly fluctuating voltage signal tells the powertrain control module exactly how far the throttle is open so it can deliver the perfect amount of fuel and adjust the ignition timing. When this electrical signal randomly drops out or glitches, you will quickly experience severe drivability issues like dangerous hesitation during highway acceleration, extremely delayed or difficult engine startups, a noticeable drop in your daily fuel efficiency, rich running conditions that produce dark exhaust smoke, and an illuminated check engine light. The root causes for this intermittent code usually point toward a physically defective or misadjusted throttle position sensor, heavily damaged or shorted electrical wiring, a loose plastic connector, a binding throttle plate jammed with thick carbon buildup, or rarely a computer programming error. To start troubleshooting this issue yourself, simply remove your air intake hose and look closely at the metal throttle plate. If you see a heavy ring of black carbon buildup, use a clean rag and some solvent to wipe it completely clean so the plate can open and close smoothly without physically binding. Next, closely examine the sensor wiring harness for any broken wires or loose connections. If everything looks solid, you will need to grab a digital volt-ohm meter to test the sensor itself. Connect your test leads to the ground and signal wires, turn the ignition on, and very slowly open the throttle by hand. The voltage should smoothly and steadily increase from roughly 0.5 volts all the way up to 4.5 volts at wide open throttle. If you see the voltage suddenly drop to zero or spike erratically, the internal sensor is worn out and the unit must be replaced. Adjusting a brand new throttle sensor to factory voltage specifications can be extremely tedious. If you do not own a digital multimeter, it is time to visit a professional mechanic. Thanks for tuning in and drive safely out there.